everyone, my name is Abdul Aziz. My presentation topic is articles. There are two type of articles: in indefinite articles, definite articles. A and N. A is used for where produce consonant sound will be produced, and N is used from where vowel sound will be produced. In definite articles, the is a definite articles. The is a definite articles. Special things just such like ocean, seas, mountain, where the name of river, Indus River, ocean, seas, Indus River, seas, oceans, Pacific oceans. The uses: the ocean, seas, musical instrument, guitar, piano, unique objects, unique star, moons, titles, logos, companies, Apple brands, password, outfitters, desert, Sahara desert, seasons, summer, winter, autumn, spring, sites, east, west, north, south, lakes, Kinjar, passes, Khyber Pass, superlative. So very beautiful, largest, smallest, tunnels, surange, glaciers, airlines, Park Airlines, sea sports. The zero articles.
Hello everyone. Today our presentation topic is hello everyone. My name is Lakshatra. Today our presentation topic is articles. There are four articles. And the zero articles. There are two types of articles: specific and generals. And the is used where a consonant sound will be produced, and the N is used where a vowel sound will be produced, such like A, E, I, O, U. And the third one, the is used with the specific things, such like mountains, oceans, seas, musical instruments, unique objects, celestial bodies, titles, companies, brands, deserts, and etc. And the zero article not used with the plurals, uncountables, proper names, and etc. Thanks.
My name is Naitik Raj. Today my presentation topic is articles. What is article? So we discuss about articles. Article is show the noun is general or specific. There are two types of articles: definite, indefinite. What is definite articles? Definite articles show general things. And and N are show one thing used when vowel sound are not produced, and used when the vowel sound are produced. Vowel are those words like A, I, O, U. There are 5 vowel words. And now I will discuss about indefinite article. Indefinite article show specific things, like we use specific things. We show like the moon, the star, and now we discuss about zero article. Zero article not used when the plural things, not uncountable things, proper names, abstract noun, metals. Now I give example you who like plural things: children's, pupils, doors, windows. This is uncountable. This is plural things. and thinks the articles is not used. Uncountable things like rice, hairs in our head. A proper noun like name, Sir Mumtaz, Deep Jyoti, each and every name of a proper name of a person. Now we discuss about abstract noun like life is not a bed of roses. Abstract noun is used when the subject, abstract noun is subject, where the article is not used. And now we discuss metal like silver, copper, gold. In things the article were not. And now we discuss about specific things like Indus River, unique objects, and deserts, brands, companies, and etc.
I'm delivering a presentation on. So hello guys, today I am delivering a presentation on, and my presentation topic is articles. There are two types of articles, definite and indefinite. Indefinite articles are and definite articles is the. First of all, I told about the word is used with consonant. It's not depend upon consonant. It's not used about consonant. For example, honest. The word honest, H is silent, and we use N. The European E is a consonant, E is a vowel, but we use A because this depend upon sound is not depend upon vowels and consonant. Then third I told about definite articles. Definite articles is the use with specific and unique word. And I told about the usage of with the name of rivers like the Ganga, the Indus. Next, mountains, the Ketu Mountains, the Mount rivers. And third is ocean, South Ocean, Antarctic, and third is seas, Red Sea, South China Sea, and Jawa Sea. Thank you.
Greeting from the Prithviraj. Today is our presentation, and my presentation topic is the article. So there are the two types of the article. So first of all, indefinite, and second of the definite. So we discuss about the first of all the first type of the article, indefinite. There are the indefinite article have two articles, and n. So we told about the article. Article is used with the consonant words, consonant sound. Sorry, not a word, sounds. And second is n. And is used with the vowel sound, for any vowel sound. So everyone think that the n is used with the vowels and a is used with the consonant, but she is wrong, because we talk about the sounds. For example, the honest, honest, honest. Everybody read this word honest, but he is not a honest because H is silent, so we read honest. So everyone thought that we use the but we cannot use because H is silent and he produces a sound of the vowel. So we use the n article. So now we discuss about the definite article. So definite article have the is using with the specific things. For example, mountains, ocean, and the mountains. So the K2 mountain, not the mountains, the K2 mountain, the Himalaya mountain, the Mount Everest mountain, and the rivers, the Ganga Nadi, the Ganga river, the Yamuna river, the Sindh river, just like that. And the second is titles, companies, and many more things. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Greetings from Zishan Lee. Today my presentation topic is article. My first point is, what is article? What is article? Article is a types of determiner that modifies a noun and indicate its types and refers in a sentence. Now when I discuss types of article. Basically there are two types of article.
there are two types of article: definite article and indefinite article. Indefinite article an used in, and indefinite article. Definite article is an article which used to refer in non-specific noun. Indefinite article are a and n. A is used before a noun which is started with a consonant word. Definite article, the specific use a, and an used to the n is used before a noun which is started with a vowel word. An elephant is a huge animal, and I have a copy, I have a car, etc. With the name mountains, K2 mountains, the K2 mountains, the K2 oceans, the Ganga oceans. Thank you for listening my.
I am Deepjyoti from class 8. Today my presentation topic is the articles. There are two types of article: the indefinite article and definite article. Indefinite articles like a and n is used with consonant, and n is used with vowel, and a is used with consonant, and n is used with vowel. A E I O U. And the definite article the is used with the specific word like mountains, the K2, the Mount Everest, ocean like Pacific and the Indian Ocean. Musical instrument like the drum, the piano and the guitar. Unique objects and companies like Apple, and brands like Outfitters, and the desert like the Sahara, the Thar and the Thal. The Thal. Zero article. The use of zero article. There is no use of zero articles. There is no use of zero article. We can't use the zero article with anything. We can't use the zero article with the plurals like the chairs, the people's, children's, doors, windows, women, and etc.
Name of Allah is the most merciful and beneficial. My name is Mamtaz from class 9th. Today my presentation, my topic is article. The article. First of all, I introduce what is article. Article is a type of determiner that indicates a noun and reference in a sentence. There are two types of articles. First is indefinite, and the second one is definite article. The indefinite articles and n. The usage this is known as general articles. This usage of is a sound of vowels, sound of consonants, and n is used with the sounds of consonants. For example, n. First of all, honest. The word is start with h, but it some people thought is honest, but it is honest, and n and a European. European is a consonant word, and zero article is the usage of zero article is plurals and uncountables, proper nouns, abstract noun, metals, and definite articles is used with specific nouns. For example, mountain, the Everest, and the K2, the Karakoram, and musical instruments. For example, guitar, piano, flute, and celestial bodies means sun, moon, star. That's it.
Today's my topic is article. What's the article? Article is show the General word, general and specific word. Article is two type of article. There are two type of article. Article is the indefinite and definite article. Indefinite, it's show the an and a article. For example, I have a pen. She is a girl. And here and there they will. And zero article, indefinite. There are other the zero article. Zero article is means plural. For example, the people's, the mad, the movies. I saw a movie last night. So, I can't.
Getting from Komal Rathod. Today my presentation day and presentation topic is the articles. Today I am delivering a presentation on amazing topic, articles. So articles have two types, indefinite article and definite article. Indefinite articles have two words, a and an. We use the article a and an with singular noun when the listener or reader does not know exactly one we are referring to, but we also use it to show the person or thing on a group. For instance, Jerry found a Tom on the road. Fruity has a cat. Sweetie has an elephant. Second is definite article. It is used to refer to indefinite or specific people or thing, singular and plural. For example, the sun rose at 6:70 a.m. this morning. We want the guitars. You can go anywhere in the world. And third is zero article. Zero article is used with indefinite plurals, uncountable, metals, and proper noun, abstract noun, metals. And for example, they do not use in chairs, people, children, doors, windows, women. So that's all. Thank you.
My topic is article. Article is a two type of article, indefinite article and definite article. And the two article and indefinite article n, and that definite article the is only use of the vowel sound, and n is use of consonant sound, and the use of that mountain, ocean, scene, and musical instrument, unique object, and the seasons, site, lake, and all the example. And
clearly.
These words does not use the article, zero article, plural, uncountable, proper noun, abstract noun, and metal. And that this word not use the article, chairs, people, children, doors, and window, women, me, and others.
Presentation topic is article. Article is two types. One first type is indefinite article and two type is definite article. First of all, article a and n. Definite article is used to the specific article. Indefinite article a. For example, and honesty, honest. H is silent or read to honest. And second to European is for silent. And third, zero article used plural, uncountable, proper noun, abstract noun. Not used with plural. Not use uncountable, proper names, abstract noun, material, metal. First, plural, chairs, people, children, doors, window, etc. And second is uncountable, flower, tea, coffee, rice, water, etc. And third, proper name, abstract noun. Extract noun, Dilip, Asma, Deep Jyoti, metal, gold, silver, copper, and the definite article, the kettle, sea, the ocean. Ocean. Today my presentation topic is the articles. There are two types of article, and is used for consonant sound produced, and n is used for vowel sound produced. vowel sound produced and honest, but now I read the honest. No, I read the honest, but he is honest. H is silent and he is honest. And two type of definite article, and definite article. The is definite article. Mean the moon, the sun, the day, the night, and etc. And third is the zero article. Zero article means no I. Plurals and uncountable, proper name, strict noun and metal. Plurals mean chairs, people, children's, doors, windows, women and men. And uncountable means countable. Life is not bed of rose. A proper name means Komal and Sir Mamtaz Bhatti and etc. Abstract nouns means and metal and gold, silver, copper and etc. With the name of rivers and mountains.
Hello friends, my name is Satishwan. Today my topic is the article, the definition. Articles. The articles show that noun is the special word. So there are two types. Indefinite articles. There are two articles. A, N. The indefinite articles. The special one खास means zero articles. Chairs, peoples, children, doors, windows, women, men. Second, plural, uncountable, proper noun, Sir Mamtaz Bhatti, etc. Abstract noun, material, which is an honest, 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 and the users with the river name of the Ganga, the river Indus, mountain, the Katu, the oceans, sea, musical instrument, unique object. Thank you.